Yes, absolutely. In fact, right after we had seen the press release, we started the exercise, even though we had not received an official communication. So in anticipation of the official communication, we started the exercise then already. And we have already identified a panel of names. And now we are in touch and consulting with those individuals, whether they would be willing to be the interlocutor or the panel of interlocutors. And so that process is on. I should be taking a review today in the office regarding that issue. But we have received, of course, we have also received the official communication now from the HNLC. So it's a very positive step, and definitely we will take the discussion forward, and we will now communicate to Government of India about the latest updates. I will be going to Delhi tomorrow. So in my visit to Delhi, I will be meeting the officials of the MHA also.
So tentatively, when do we expect the government to announce the names of?
Shortly, very soon. I don't want to give a date because it's a process. We can't say when it will happen, but it will happen very soon.